Welcome to our Green Acres, everybody, and Merry Christmas. Today I'm going to take y'all along to a couple of thrift stores in my local area. The first thrift store that I went to is a new one in our local area. The proceeds that they make from their thrift store go toward to help the homeless. So anything you buy in here is a win-win. So they had a couple of really cute nativity scenes. One was a Christmas ornament, and I love that really pretty glass one. This copper candlestick right here was really pretty. It didn't have a price on it, but I'm sure it was probably only a couple of dollars. Now I'm going to take y'all along to my local Goodwill. This one is located in Athens, Alabama. It's a really good one. It's always really clean and very organized, and they do have some really good prices. Today we're really looking out for some, pretty Christmas decor, and right now at your thrift stores is a really good time to go to find Christmas items because a lot of people are decorating their homes and they're donating the items that they don't want. Maybe they've gotten some new seasonal decor and they are, need to get rid of some things. So make sure to check out your thrift store right now for some pretty Christmas treasures. We're just going to shop around now, see what kind of deals we can find, and some things that maybe I can bring home and decorate for the Christmas season in my home. So make sure to stay through the video because I'll bring y'all back home and show you some of the items that I purchased and how I'm going to style them in my home for Christmas.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly. From base to summit, gay and bright, there's only splendor for the sight. Oh Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee.
And if you're still in need of a Christmas tree, our Goodwill had several beautiful ones. These you could just add some really pretty lights to, and you could really get a good deal on a very large tree. They had several back in the back this day. This one right here is a small one. You could even put this out somewhere, like maybe on a front porch, and it was only $9.99. This one right here had lights on it. Somebody had included the lights with it. These trees, I think, were less than $40. Some of them, I think, were a little bit cheaper. But just keep your eye out at the thrift store if you need an inexpensive Christmas tree. I'm going to show y'all a few of the items that I purchased. This right here was absolutely beautiful for $1.99. I looked this up online just to see what it was and how you could style it. You can actually put a votive candle in the bottom of it and light it up. I don't have any LED votive candles at the moment, but I am going to get one. But I am going to show you how I styled it. Here's some that are very similar. You know, you could definitely collect these and get different sizes and different colors. But look at the sparkle on these. Since I only have one of these right now, I just set this over on a buffet that we have over at the condo. And I think it just pairs really well over here in this space that, you know, I needed something a little extra. But look how beautiful it is. So I'm thinking I'm going to be on the lookout for more of these. Because what a beautiful collection to start collecting these when you see these out at the antique stores or the thrift stores.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Another thing I brought home were these two white enamel pots. These were 99 cents each. But these containers like this make beautiful bases for you to put, you know, some of your little Christmas trees down in. Another good use for these white enamel pots for 99 cents is they are a great vessel if you do the amaryllis or the paper lily bulbs during the winter. I have never done these, but I found this set at Sam's for $19.99, and you got 2 wax bulbs. These are supposed to be waterless, and as you can see, mine is already doing good because it's already got a sprout. Hopefully it will bloom and it will be beautiful during the winter time. I'm going to put it in this because it does need something with that wax on it. I don't want to just set it, you know, in a windowsill or on the countertop. But I do need to get some reindeer moss and put around the bottom. But just another idea for a 99-cent white enamel pot. Remember the first thrift store that we went to had these beautiful nativity scenes. They had this beautiful ornament that was only 99 cents. This really small glass set come with all the pieces. The baby Jesus was with it, and a lot of times baby Jesus will be missing out of these nativity scenes. So I was so pleased to find this set, and I just set this over on our buffet. Another beautiful piece that I couldn't resist bringing home for $1.99 was this beautiful Spode trinket box. Many people collect Spode, and especially their Christmas items. This right here would not only be a great container to put out during Christmas and put some Christmas treats or candies in it, you could also fill this with some special treats and give this away as a beautiful gift. I could not believe back in the back on this counter was this beautiful pewter or silver candlestick holder. This right here is really big. You can see the base on it. This was, I think, made in India, but for only $4, I definitely picked this up. You can never have too many candlestick holders around the Christmas time. Y'all know when I'm out thrift store shopping, I love to carouse through the lamp section. Our Goodwill always has a great selection of lamps. And on this day, I love this beautiful clear base one. Now, these can retail up into the money and get expensive. Now, this is a large lamp. The one I found is a small version, but so many things that you can do with this clear base on this lamp. I've seen some that will just, put some decorations in it, and you can decorate this for all the seasons. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a way of how I'm going to style it for the Christmas season. If you've got some bells and maybe you want to change the color of them, you can paint them brown or black. These I had already painted brown in a previous year when I wanted more of a rustic look, but now I love the distressed gold look. So all you need to do is put a little bit of your rub and buff in a plastic bag, put your bells in there, and just rub that rub and buff around in that plastic bag. It leaves just enough distressing on them to where it looks like you bought them like this. So I did all the brown bells that I already had painted, put those in there, and got these, gold color, and now I absolutely love these. So many ways that you can style some of these rustic distressed bells. But I think these will make a great decorative piece to put in the base of that lamp. Since my lamp is small, it needs something small, so you can either, put all the bells in there kind of like a cloche, or you can just, arrange it and put just a few. So I'm going to style it for you and let you see how beautiful the little clear bottom lamp turned out. The shade that I put on it is just one that I already had on hand. It probably needs a little bit smaller of a shade, but you will get the idea of what it looks like and how beautiful a lamp like this can be that I only paid $5 for. Another item that I picked up at the thrift store on this day was this beautiful gold bow Christmas tree topper. This is only $1.99, and I have seen so many online shops carrying a bow style Christmas topper. So I thought this was the find of the day. I priced it out, and one that is very similar to the one I found for $1.99 was selling retail for $59, and it's on sale right now for $35. So I think for $1.99 I got a really great deal. Now, if you don't want to put this on the topper of your tree, you can also just put this in the middle of your tree. Just because it's got the spring bottom on it, you can just put it on some branches, but you can put it just about anywhere on your tree that you want. We're at the end of the video, and it's time for me to tell y'all goodbye, but I hope y'all enjoyed coming along with me thrift store shopping and then back home to see the items that I purchased and how I styled them in my home. I will plan to see all of y'all back here next Wednesday for a brand new Christmas video. Bye, y'all.